Hey there, it's Hannah with WTI, and if you are looking for the perfect terrarium to store your favorite treasures, then this one is the one you're going to want to get.
NCYP has made the most beautiful geometric terrarium, and I am completely obsessed with how beautiful this thing is. It has this really generous opening here, but I love how it's so irregular in the shape. It really just lends itself for you to be super creative with what you put in here. I loved putting all my little bits and bobs in here, but I think this would be the perfect thing for some beautiful succulents. You could really get creative with the height you put in here. It is just such a beautiful piece.
I love being able to put my favorite little treasures in something so beautiful and that I can see them and appreciate them. And it's also a work of art all on its own. This is such a beautiful terrarium. I highly recommend getting one for yourself. And that's my point of view.